Heavy-duty crossbar fit M10 and M8 rear view mirror screw. Aluminum alloy handlebar extender extension. Length adjustable. Made of 6061 T6 aluminum alloy compatible with motorcycles, electric vehicles, ATVs, UTVs, truck and off-road vehicle, etc. The main body of the motorcycle crossbar is made of 6061 T6 aluminum alloy material with CNC machining and 3-grade hard anodized surface for durability and reliability in the most demanding environments. Adjustable length design. Effective telescopic range 332 mm, 13.07 inch. Approximately 462 mm, 18.19 inch. This motorcycle crossbar is designed to be installed on motorcycle rear view mirrors, suitable for M10 and M8 rear view mirror screws. Motorcycle crossbar diameter 7/8 22 mm. Keuig aluminum alloy motorcycle handlebar navigation mobile phone support balance bar crossbar for improved stability. Material: aluminum alloy. Placement on vehicle: front. Purpose: for retrofit, upgrade. Condition: new. Compatible make: universal. Brand name: Keuig. Model number: KWGHB6. Material: 6061 aluminum alloy. Function: support action camera. Feature: adjustable multifunction. Fit for motorcycle, bicycle, etc. Certification: CE Rose. Usage: outdoors, riding, sport.